Hi friends. What I'm gonna try and do here is I'm gonna share with you like a quick vlog of how I'm planning my son's birthday party. He's turning 4 this year, and this year he's been obsessed for the past few months with Sonic the Hedgehog, which is like a cartoon character that's on Netflix. It is a pretty old video game from what I understand. He's a character from a video game that became into a movie. I know Jim Carrey was in the movie, and there's a lot of videos on Sonic the Hedgehog, but unfortunately I did not find even a single birthday party decoration here in India, at least for Sonic the Hedgehog. So I tried to search for it online on Amazon, I tried on Flipkart, I tried on even the local party stores. I couldn't find hats, I couldn't find any foil balloons, I couldn't find any backdrop, nothing. So pretty much this entire vlog is going to be of me DIYing everything. Okay, so to start off with, the first thing that I did was I found these templates. I don't know if you can see it. So I found these templates of the hat, the party hat, that is available on Pinterest. And I think one of the other parents who tried to have the similar kind of birthday theme for their child and couldn't find anything was kind enough to go ahead and upload this onto their website. So I was able to download this. I'm gonna go ahead and link this particular link down in the description box in case any of you who have to go through what I had to for Sonic the Hedgehog party theme can benefit from it. So I'm going to link that. So what I'm doing is I'm going to be printing this onto cardstock. Okay, so you need really thick chart paper. You can use chart paper, you can use anything that holds its shape. So I ordered these. It's an entire bunch of like thick craft paper. I ordered that from Amazon, and it's colorful. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stick this thing onto that cardstock, and I'm going to cut it out in the shape that is given here, right? My only suggestion to you, my recommendation to you is going to be cut the shape out a little broader to the sides, which is right here, right? You want to cut it out a little broader because it turns out to be very, very small. Like the first hat that I made is this. Right? But it's too small. If you can see here, it's too small. So what I did was, for the second hat that I made, I literally cut out extra strips. So I just pretty much just gave extra space for it to be able to cone properly, and here you go. I think it's pretty good enough. I mean, honestly, this looks really nice, and I'm going to use ribbon to have it attached to the bottom so that the kids can enjoy it, right? So yeah, that's how I'm making the party hats. Here are the party hats, right? So print these out, put it onto the cardstock, stick it, cut it, and you have really cute party hats. I hope this helps whoever is planning their kid's birthday and wants to have Sonic the Hedgehog birthday theme. I really hope this helps you, because honestly I was lost. I didn't have any place that I could just get the ready-made things. But yeah, hopefully it helps and our kids enjoy it. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you again in my next video.